Hey guys, it's Silver Seeker, and today we're going to show a few of the new silver pieces that I picked up. I wanted to share with you guys today. A lot of these are brand new to the channel. A few of them have been on the channel before, but a lot of the newer subscribers to the channel haven't seen them, so I'm going to share some of the new stuff I've picked up that I just got in. Now, of course, a lot of the stuff, for example, this one right here, I did get multiple of, but I didn't want to, have you sit through a whole long unboxing. As you know, my last unboxing video was very short. I figured I'd do it this way and just share it with you. So what we have here, guys, this first one is a 2019 Nui Celestial Animals. This right here is the White Tiger. Now, I didn't know this series existed. I found out about the 2020 The Celestial Animals Red Phoenix, and so I started digging and I found this 2019 White Tiger, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to share that with you today. Now this one right here is really cool. This is a Kennedy $50 commemorative silver round. So the really cool thing about this is the center of it with the Kennedy is the exact size of a $50, and then they added the extra silver around to the outside to fill the difference. I do not like that it doesn't flip top to bottom though, it flips side to side. So that is a mistake that they made on it. It should flip top to bottom since it's a US coin, but as you can see, you got commemorative copy and then 1 troy ounce of 99 fine silver, and the finish on the Kennedy itself is really, really nice. Now this one we have had on the channel before, but it has been a while, but again, we have a lot of new subscribers, and by the way, if you aren't one, don't forget to click that sub button. But what we're looking at here, guys, is a 2020 Darth Vader from Nui. I do like the Star Wars rounds. These are really cool. This is actually a coin because it does have a face value and a sovereign nation. So it's an actual coin, but you got a 2020 Nui $2 Darth Vader. These are really cool. Darth Vader with the lightsaber. Additionally, guys, also, if you've been on the channel for a long time, you will recognize this one. This is really cool. This is the John Wick Continental 1 ounce silver round. Now, what's cool about these is it's the same design as the Continental that you see in the movie, the ones that he uses, to pay for all of his, underworld, purchases, if you will. And I like that they remade these in silver. They also, believe it or not, do have a gold version of these, but I don't have the gold one. The gold one's obviously very expensive, but a gold one would be more authentic to the movie. Now this one right here, guys, this is really, really cool. This is from the Anonymous Mint. This is the 1 ounce silver Medusa round. Don't stare directly at her, guys, you'll turn to stone, but this is really cool. I really like this design. It's got a really neat finish to it. It's like a frothy finish or a frosty finish with the Medusa. And of course, if you flip it over or flip it side to side, I should have done, we have the Anonymous Mint. You have the Anonymous Mint owl right there with the 1 ounce of 99 fine silver. Something else that I picked up, but this is all I picked up that I picked up multiples of. I did pick up a few more things I wanted to share with you guys. This right here, guys, is absolutely 100% artificial. There's no question in my mind, and there should be no question in anyone's mind if this is a real tone or not. But you know what? I saw this tone, I'm like, man, it is really cool. I don't know what they did to do it. It looks like it was probably some sort of electrolysis because that's probably the wire that was sitting across it right there. But it's really cool. It's got purples and golds, and it's a just crazy cool finish. And as you can see, guys, it's a proof. Look at that. That is really, really neat. Again, I know, I'm 100% certain, as you should be as well, this is not a actual, like, legit tone. This is artificially toned. But whoever did it did a really, really good job besides that line right there, and I just thought this was really cool. That's a 2008 W proof, by the way, that they put that tone on, so I just wanted to pick that up. Look at the purple, so that's really cool. Now, something else I picked up, and this one was just one of, and it's locally. This is a 5 ounce silver bar with the pirate and the sword and the skull. Look at that. That is really cool. As you can see, it looks to be a hand poured piece. It's pressed, the design is pressed in. You got 99 fine silver. And I think that's AM, so that could be the Atlantis Mint. And of course, you have 5 troy ounces. I did weigh it and test it, and it is legit, so that is really cool. Something else I picked up that we've seen on the channel before, but these are cool. I picked up another one because I saw it. This is a 1 ounce A-Mark chunky bar, so this is actually 1 ounce of silver, even though, as you can see, size-wise, it's much smaller, but it's a lot thicker and chunkier. So we call these the A mark chunky bars. I like those. Whenever I see those, I pick them up. Something else I picked up, this one is from the US Mint, and then after this I have one more final thing I want to show you. So this right here, guys, is one of the 2020 America the Beautiful 5-ounce silver uncirculated quarters. I actually just got this in today, ordered it the other day, and when it right when it came out. This is the Salt River Bay National Historic Park and Ecological Reserve, U.S. Virgin Islands. Now, the really cool thing about this is going to be one of the lowest mintages from the U.S. Mint. They're actually only minting, they have a mintage limit on these of 13,750. So that's actually going to be a pretty low mint for this one. So I wanted to pick one up. I only picked up one, and if I could get it out, I'll show you the reverse, but it's kind of stuck in there. The reverse just looks like a quarter, but it is a 5-ounce, the Virgin Islands Salt River Bay America the Beautiful series quarter. These are really, really cool. And I tell you what, I went ahead and popped it out so we could flip it over and take a look, guys. That is really cool. You got the matte finish, it's in the case. And I just wanted to pick one of those up. With only 13,750 of these being produced, I wanted to pick one up. It obviously a pretty high premium on it. They're $178, which puts it well north of what I would really want to spend on it per ounce. But I think with the low mintage, I think this is something that would be worth more in the future. So I picked one up. And then the final thing I have to show you guys, this is probably my favorite thing of all that I've picked up, and I just picked this up. And I was lucky to pick it up at today's spot prices, right at $23 an ounce, plus a premium, but not bad of a premium actually. Take a look at this. This is a Scottsdale Mint poured 20-ounce bar, and it's cool because it's a long bar, like a candy bar, instead of like a a bigger bar, wider bar. It's a long, like, it is cool. So this thing is really, really cool. This is far and away my favorite piece I've picked up. And of course, it's a Scottsdale pressed, or a Scottsdale poured 20-ounce silver bar, 99 fine silver. This thing is just cool. It feels so good in the hands. It's cold right now, which is really cool as well. So I wanted to share that one with you as well. So that is what we have for the video today, guys. I just wanted to share some really cool stuff with you. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at it with me. If you liked it and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. I do appreciate the subscription and having you guys around on the channel. And if you want to make sure you get the notifications for my videos when they come out as well, make sure you click the bell so you get your notifications turned on. All right, guys, well, that is it. Thank you again, and we will see you next time. Hey guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notifications so you don't miss my future updates. I also want to say thank you to all of my channel members scrolling on the right hand side of the screen for making videos like this possible. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day.